Here come new products, they don't roll out slowly. Fiesta Max is coming, they love 40 diet. They all got an infusion of omega-3. Got to pull together for the customer's needs. Product showcase, we got hamster play ball, we talk bird on finger, we got woodpecker suet. He said, I know you don't want the same old thing, you need innovation, and that's what we bring. Pull together right now, Super Pet and KT.